My son is in need of a new lunchbox, and he has had the same lunchbox for the last 4 years, and I want another lunchbox that will last at least 4 more years every day for school. So I went with the Simple Modern Lunchbox, and there's a lot of reasons why I went with this one. Let me show you. It comes with a lot of different patterns, so you can choose however you want it to look, but my son really wanted the simple black. What I love about it is it's a single piece. He's not gonna lose the lid or have it go somewhere funny. It's connected to the lunchbox. It has this great easy handle, very easy to open, very easy to latch, and it's not coming undone. Pop it open, and this is what it looks like inside. And this is where it gets really awesome. All these lines here are silicone, meaning that it is leak proof. You can put liquids in these containers and they are not going to spill out into his backpack or even into the other compartments. It will all stay within the lunchbox and within that compartment. So in here you have these great sized compartments, and what I love about these is that it's kind of like a bento box style in that I can put just a variety of little items in each one. This is great for half a sandwich, or I can put a full sandwich in here, 2 halves. This is a very deep lunchbox, which is also why I went with this one, because my son's going into middle school and I wanted a larger one. And then when it's time to clean it, that's really easy too, because this whole compartment just pops right out. And you can throw this in the dishwasher. Make sure to put it on the top rack, and that will get everything here clean. The one thing to be aware of with these is that food can collect in these pieces when you run it in the dishwasher. So what I usually do is when I pull it out of the dishwasher, I make sure to dump that. Not a big deal. It's on the back side and it all just pours right out, but something to be aware of. And this piece is also dishwasher safe, top rack only. But often I will not wash this piece because I really just need to scrub this part. This is the only part that's touching the food. And I give a quick rinse on the outside and then do a real scrub once a week. Yeah, maybe I'm gross. Maybe I'm just a parent, but that's all I need to do. It works for my kids. Now putting this back in is just as easy. You just put it on top, snap it in, and it will not fall out. It's going to stay in, so that's wonderful too. I'm really, really thrilled with it. It's exactly what I wanted for him for his coming year, and I definitely recommend it.